What is going on, everyone? This is Raphael back with another video. And if you're looking to earn a substantial income working from home on your own time, guys, and not being able to enjoy the better things in life, you come to the right channel. Okay. So basically, guys, I have a perfect opportunity for you. This opportunity is for people that love socializing, love talking to people, a little bit of tutoring in it also, and it's all online. Okay, this is going to be a work from home opportunity. All right. So basically, before I get started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Please click the notification bell because you definitely don't want to miss out on more content that I'll be bringing out in the near future. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, guys. First of all, what you want to do is go ahead and go to Google. You're going to type in Cambly and then tutor. All right. And then the first link here, you want to click on this link. Okay. Now this opportunity is going to you can pretty much make 100 or more a day basically doing this type of opportunity. Okay, these are the type of opportunities that I like because you're able to maximize your income and be able to stay home, which is perfect. Okay, so being a tutor with Cambly. All right, guys, so basically what you're doing, you're getting paid to chat with people from around the world. All right, so there's a lot of people around the world that's wanting to learn English, and you know, this platform gives them a chance to learn English. All right, so you're not really like tutoring, like teaching them English, but you're speaking with them, and that's allowing them to learn the language basically. Okay, so you're going to be speaking with them about basically normal regular stuff, and that's going to allow them to over time learn the language. All right, so tutoring Cambly is fun and rewarding. Okay, and there's no experience necessary, so you don't need any experience. You can definitely sign up for this today and get started as soon as possible. Okay, all right, so how you get paid? While you chat with students, we automatically track the time you tutor. We pay 17 cents per minute, which is equivalent to $10.20 an hour. Okay, so if you're working every hour, you're getting paid $10.20 an hour, and then the earnings will be delivered every Monday via PayPal. Okay, guys, and like I always told you before, you know, I love PayPal. I definitely love payments coming from PayPal. Okay. Now you can work anytime and anywhere, all right? As long as you have your internet connection, you have your laptop, you're able to work anywhere that you want, okay? And that's the perfect position here, okay? You get to make your own hours, you work as little or as much as you want. You can log online whenever you have a free moment and start taking calls within minutes, guys. And I mean, this is perfect, you know. Most of these jobs where you say like customer service at home jobs, most of the time you're at home and you're working and stuff, and you're more tied down a little bit. But with this here, you can move around. You can go visit your parents and still be working. You can go visit your other family members and still be working. That kind of stuff. So this is perfect. All right. Another thing I like also here, it says meet interesting people. You chat with people from around the world. In 1 hour of tutoring, you might meet a Brazilian, a Saudi, and a Russian. You learn a lot about their cultures and languages too, which is perfect, guys. I mean, I've loved for a long time, you know, I love to learn about other cultures, and this basically gives me a chance to learn about it, and that's the perfect thing about this job here, guys. So if you're looking to get started, you wanna know more, you'll basically click this get started button or the sign up button at the right here. And that basically takes you to this short form here. You just put in your username, email address, phone number, password, date of birth, and the tutor that referred you, which is optional. You don't really have to put nothing here. And how did you hear about Cambly? You can put online or Google, either or, and then you click I am a native English speaker, and from there you can basically create the account, and somebody will contact you with more information on how to get started. All right. So like I said, this is for people that, you know, love to socialize. If you love to socialize and talk to other cultures, learn about other cultures, this is this is a very good position for you. You can go to get started. All right. And like I said at the beginning of the video, guys, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share it, comment below if you have any questions. I'm here to answer and help. And once again, guys, stay blessed.